All right, today we're gonna bring in these beautiful outdoor lights. All right, this is glass. All right, just to make sure that they're fragile, don't drop it. Light bulb is not included, but if you guys see, look at the nice finished touches on every single corner. You can see some of the copper painting that goes in there, and the back of it, the basic connection. You have your ground, you have your negative, positive, and your hot. And basically they give you a ground. If you guys see that, that's the ground screws. You get 2 sets of these, all right, ready to go. And we're gonna mount it up, and we're gonna see how beautiful they look at night. And just to be sure that there is some removable, if you want to remove some of the components from the actual top. All right, like I said, light bulbs not included. Long lit lights, beautiful outdoors, perfect for patio, perfect for your garage entrances. Not too bright, enough lighting to come in and illuminate your path. So let's go ahead and put it together. So put the strip on here. All right, we're gonna turn it on a daylight mode right now. If you guys can see, beautiful structure. We're actually gonna go into it. If you guys can see that, beautiful lighting. Look how bright the light is, guys. Super bright, shining. So if you have this on any concrete wall or wood wall, it's gonna reflect real beautiful at night. Especially the actual glass, how it's set up. Beautiful lighting. .6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful, and I hope you hit the like and subscribe.